Welcome back to our channel, We Are Same. Today we are going to see few animals, and also we will hear how they sound. Do you like nature? If you say yes, then let's look for them. Oh, wait, that doesn't mean you have to search for them. Just relax and wait. We already did search for you. Now we will present them to you one by one. Are you ready to hear the nature and few of the nature's animal species and the how they sounds? Oh, one more thing. I forgot to tell you that don't get scared of upcoming sounds or call of wild or domestic animals. Also try to hear them carefully, so you can make out which animal sounds like. So let's start. Alligator, and the sound of alligator. Antelope, and the sound of antelope. Bear, and the sound of bear. V, and the sound of V. Bison, and the sound of bison. Buffalo, and the sound of buffalo. Camel, and the sound of camel. Cow, and the sound of cow. Cricket, and the sound of cricket. Crocodile, and the sound of crocodile. Cat, and the sound of cat. Cheetah, and the sound of cheetah. Crow, and the sound of crow. Deer, and the sound of deer. Dog, and the sound of dog. Dolphin, and the sound of dolphin. Donkey, and the sound of donkey. Duck, and the sound of duck. Eagle, and the sound of eagle. Elephant, and the sound of elephant. Housefly, and the sound of housefly. Fox, and the sound of fox. Frog, and the sound of frog. Giraffe, and the sound of giraffe. Goat, and the sound of goat. gorilla, and the sound of gorilla. Grasshopper, and the sound of grasshopper. Hedgehog, and the sound of hedgehog. Hen, and the sound of hen. Hippopotamus, and the sound of hippopotamus. Horse, and the sound of horse. Hyena, and the sound of hyena. Iguana, and the sound of iguana. Jaguar, and the sound of jaguar. Kitten, and the sound of kitten. Kangaroo, and the sound of kangaroo. Koala, and the sound of koala. Leopard, and the sound of leopard. Lion, and the sound of lion. Lizard, and the sound of lizard. Llama, and the sound of llama.
Claire, 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 Claire.
Monkey, and the sound of monkey. Moose, and the sound of moose. Mosquito, and the sound of mosquito. Ostrich, and the sound of ostrich. Owl, and the sound of owl. Ox, and the sound of ox. Peacock, and the sound of peacock. Pig, and the sound of pig. Pigeon, and the sound of pigeon. Penguin, and the sound of penguin. Rabbit, and the sound of rabbit. Rat, and the sound of rat. Rattlesnake, and the sound of rattlesnake. Rhinoceros, and the sound of rhinoceros. rooster, and the sound of rooster. Sheep, and the sound of sheep. Sloth, and the sound of sloth. Sparrow, and the sound of sparrow. Snake, and the sound of snake. Squirrel, and the sound of squirrel. Tiger, and the sound of tiger. Whale, and the sound of whale. Wildebeest, and the sound of wildebeest. Wolf, and the sound of wolf. Yuck, and the sound of yuck. Zebra, and the sound of zebra. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Bye. Bye. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We are same. To get notification about more new videos in future, press the bell icon.